Did you know some childhood friends never really leave? At 7 years old, Akira made a deal with what they thought was an imaginary friend named Kage. Their parents were fighting every night, and their baby sister got all the attention. Kage promised to make everything better if Akira agreed to let him help for 11 years. The scared child said yes without understanding what they were signing up for. Throughout school, Akira became mysteriously popular. Bullies would suddenly leave them alone. Teachers loved them. They got perfect grades and won every competition. But something felt wrong. Real friendships felt impossible. Every emotion seemed muted, like watching life through glass. On their 18th birthday, Kage finally appeared again, no longer the friendly shadow from childhood, but a towering demon with burning eyes. The contract was clear. 11 years of protection meant 11 years of possession. As Kage's claws reached for their soul, Akira realized the horrible truth. They hadn't been protecting themselves from trauma. They had been jealous of a baby sister and traded their humanity for temporary success. Now the bill had come due.